Ready to follow the biggest moments in esports? Here's how to sign up on the Esports World Cup app. Start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Create Account or Sign Up. You'll see a few options: sign up with Google, Apple, or Discord, or use your email address. Pick the method you prefer and follow the prompts. If you choose email, you'll enter your name, email, and password, then confirm with a quick email verification. You may also be asked to choose your favorite games or teams to personalize your experience. Once done, log in, and that's it. Now you can track match schedules, follow pro teams, and get all the latest Esports World Cup updates right from your phone.